Apple switched up the way you change your wallpaper for your iPhone with iOS 16. Just like before though, when you set the wallpaper, you can set both the lock screen and the home screen at the same time with the same or different image if you want. But with iOS 16, they moved the option inside of settings, and then they gave us another spot to change it just using the lock screen. We'll take a look at both ways, starting with where they moved it inside of settings. With the settings app open, scroll down a bit, find, and then tap wallpaper. Here you can see the current wallpaper, and if you have more than one created, you can easily swipe left or right to see the others. The idea here is that you can create multiple backgrounds and quickly switch between them. Find the one you want and then tap Set as Current. It'll then switch the wallpaper of both the lock and home screens to the one that you've picked. If you want to create a new wallpaper though, just tap Add New Wallpaper at the bottom. You can then scroll through and find a new background image that you want to use. They can be photos on your phone, pre-designed ones from Apple, simple colors, maps. There's a bunch now that you can choose from. Make your choice in any edits that you want, and then tap Add on the top right here. You'll then be prompted to set as a wallpaper pair, which is the same lock and home screen, or if you want to customize even further by changing what the home screen will look like. Make your choice and your wallpaper will be changed. The other way that Apple's included inside of iOS 16 is changing from your lock screen. When you're on your lock screen, just press and hold anywhere. When you do, it'll pop back into this view here. This is the same as what we did inside of settings, just a different layout. You can swipe back and forth between the layouts that you've created. We can customize them, and if you want to add a new one, just tap the plus sign here on the bottom corner or at the end. I've done a video in the past digging deeper into the customizing of these here, so definitely check that one out if you want to see some of the cool stuff that Apple's added when you're working with photos on the lock screen, adding widgets, and changing how the fonts even look. I'll put a link here in the video and then in the description below. And that's how you change and customize your iPhone's wallpaper inside of iOS 16.